What's up guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are diving into one of the most powerful and popular programming languages out there, Java. This is the first video in our Java tutorial series and I can't wait to take you on this journey. If you are excited to learn Java, hit that like button and subscribe to stay updated with all the upcoming tutorials. So, why should we learn Java? Well, Java is one of the top 3 most popular programming languages in the world. It is used by millions of developers and it's a staple in the software industry. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced programmer, learning Java opens up a world of opportunities. One of the reasons Java stands out is its versatility. You can use Java to build large-scale enterprise applications, develop Android apps, create web applications, and much more. Its flexibility makes it an essential skill for any aspiring developer. Java is also known for its strong foundation in object-oriented programming, known as OOP. If you want to master OOP concepts, Java is a fantastic language to start with. It simplifies complex problems by modeling them as objects, making your code more modular, reusable, and maintainable. Let's talk about the job market. There's a high demand for Java developers. If you have ever looked at IT job postings, you have probably noticed how often Java is mentioned. Learning Java can significantly boost your employability and open doors to exciting career opportunities. Now, one of the coolest features of Java is its platform independence. Java programs can run on any device or operating system that has a Java virtual machine. We call it as JVM. This is often summarized by the phrase write once, run anywhere. Here is a simple explanation. In many programming languages, source code is compiled into machine code. For example, if you write a hello world programming language like C++ and compile it on Windows, it won't run on a Mac because the machine code is platform specific. But Java has this differently. The Java compiler converts this source code into an intermediate form called bytecode. This bytecode is then interpreted by the JVM, which translates it into machine code. Since the bytecode is the same across all platforms, a Java program can run on Windows, Mac, Linux, or any other system that has a JVM. So I hope you now have a clear idea about what the JVM is. It belongs to the Java Runtime Environment or JRE, which includes class libraries and other supporting files. The JVM and JRE are part of the Java Development Kit or JDK. Before you can run Java programs, you need to install the JDK, which includes everything you need to get started. Now, let's move on to installing the Java JDK. First, search for Java JDK download in your browser. Click on the Java download link from Oracle. You will see a bar showing various JDK versions. Go to the latest version, which is JDK 22. Next, select your OS type. Since I have Windows, I will download the x64 version. Wait until your JDK version is downloaded. After the download, open the setup file and click Next. You can browse and choose the installing location as you prefer. I'm okay with the default location, so I will click Next. Wait until the application gets installed. Once the installation is finished, close the setup, and there you go, we have successfully installed the Java JDK. Next, we need an integrated development environment or IDE. An IDE is a software that helps us write code. It provides an interface to write code, compile, check for errors, and run code. There are different IDEs for coding in Java, IntelliJ, Eclipse, NetBeans, Visual Studio Code. It doesn't matter which one you use. Choose the one you are comfortable with. I am comfortable with Eclipse, so let's figure out how to download Eclipse. First, search for Eclipse in the search bar. Here's the official website, eclipse.org. Click the download button. After that, you will be directed to the download page. Choose the setup according to your OS. Next, click the download button. The download will start. After the download finishes, open the setup file. It takes a few moments to open the Eclipse installer. Click Eclipse IDE for Java developers. In the first drop down, it shows the current Java version. You must ensure it matches the downloaded JDK version. Here you can also browse and choose the installation location. Then click install, click accept now. Now it starts installing. It will take a few minutes to install. After the installation is successfully done, you will see a launch button. A desktop icon is also created. Click the launch button to start coding. So thank you for watching this video. In the next video, I'll teach you input output operations and more in Java. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, comment and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.